Hello, welcome back to another video of Real Talk with iMed Medical. My name is Melle van Rooijen.
And my name is Zubeyde Akdas, and today we're gonna discuss about male rhinoplasty, a subject that we love because it's transformation which is subtle and it's giving you more confidence.
Yes, I think a lot of men don't talk about this.
Exactly, because they are thinking about to do it, but they don't have the gut to do it.
Yes.
Because they are afraid that they will change a lot.
Yes, and also I think maybe they are afraid of people who are judging them or...
Also,
But a rhinoplasty is like a surgery is already for years.
yeah.
A lot of people come to Turkey to do a rhinoplasty.
Yeah, because a lot of patients, a lot of people, let I say like this, has complication during birth. They have a trauma, or they will hit, so they cannot breathe very well. So the or septoplasty, so the nose where are blocked. So it's very normal to improve your life standards because when you can breathe easily, you will feel much better.
Yeah, and also the nose is like in the center of the face. So if you don't like the way your nose is shaped, why not change it and also make your nose work better?
Yeah.
Because our doctor is not only doing the outside of the nose, he's also focusing on the inside of the nose. A lot of boys, especially when they were younger, they played football and they got hit by the nose with the soccer ball. And they have a problem with their septum. Their septum is like this. So it's not straight, but a little bit to the side. And it blocks your nose. So with breathing, you will have problems. Maybe you will snore when you are sleeping. Maybe your partner will cannot sleep because of you snoring. There are a lot of things why male also can do rhinoplasty, and it's not only a surgery for the woman.
No, and it's also not only for the looks, but also the function.
Yes, especially one of our colleagues, Batu, he did a rhinoplasty, but he wanted to keep his nose really masculine.
Did you saw it before? He has no support at all.
No, he didn't have any support. So maybe we can enter a little video in here. When the doctor is pushing his nose was like fully going in. That means that there's no support. And a nose needs support. So what the doctor does is he builds with your own cartilage. He builds the support to your nose, so your nose will also function much more better.
Yeah, so you can breathe much better. What I also notice is that the male patients are afraid that they will get a feminine nose.
Yeah, because I think Turkey is famous because of those crazy TikToks now, where you see a doctor before the nose and then after, and the nose is literally bent over to the forehead. That's crazy because, of course, there are doctors who performing those type of noses. We call it the typical Turkish Barbie nose. Our doctor, he can do a Barbie rhinoplasty, but not the overdone look. So he don't make your nose look like this. And some men, they like it. Some men, they ask for it. And a lot of men, they say, I don't want it.
No, so it's what we can do is a straight nose, no lip tip lift, and a strong profile for a male, masculine male. Sometimes I also ask my patients some personal questions like, are you a straight guy or are you gay? And if you are gay, are you feminine gay or normal gay?
Yeah, not normal, masculine gay.
Masculine gay.
Yeah.
So it's also depending on how you want to see after the surgery.
What you want to achieve also, because it's not only because it's a little bit strange, of course, that you think now maybe we ask, are you gay when you do a rhinoplasty? No, but if you want to have a feminine nose, like I say, it's in the center of your face, so your whole face will be much more feminine. If that's the goal you want to go for, we are there to help you. But some people, they forget, like they see a picture of a nose and they think like, I want to have the same, but the structure of their face is much more different.
Yeah.
So maybe the result will not be there 100% what they expect.
Exactly. So that's why we are asking personal question. I'm really sorry about it, but we have to know when to get a good also to see what you want, what your desires are, what your expectations are, because some of the patients are also afraid to tell us that they are or trans or gay. And we want you to feel very comfortable because we don't judge.
No.
We are just supporting also. And just we know exactly what you want to achieve.
Yeah, and what's your expectation also, because If you want a masculine nose, we can make it. We call it like the Greek noses now. It's really a thing also on social media. It's the straight nose, very manly. But if you want a curve in it, it's more feminine like I have. If that's the look you want to go for, let's do it.
Yeah, and guys, please talk with your friends, with your family. It's very normal. I know that a lot of people are really shy to talk about the surgery that they are planning or did.
Yeah.
So guys, be open about it. It's very normal nowadays.
And it's not only for the women, the plastic surgery. It's funny because I was at the party and I met a guy, really straight guy, really like a really tough guy. And I looked at his nose and I saw this little scar under his nose. And I said, did you have a rhinoplasty? And he was like, how you know? How you know? I said, I work in the aesthetics, so I know. But I see they are really stressed. I asked him, why is it a strange question? He said, no, but is it strange as me, as a man who do surgery, like not a gay man? I said, no. If you want to achieve that look, go for it.
Yeah.
And it looked really good. It looked really, really natural. So
exactly.
And a rhinoplasty also can be natural.
Exactly. And when you are confident about your face, high profile, it makes you also stronger. And we like strong men.
Yes. So don't feel ashamed. If you want to do a surgery, just let us know what your expectations are and we can help you further with it.
Yes. Be sure that cosmetic surgery is not only for women, it's for everybody. Just let us know how you want to look and then we will see you in Istanbul.
Bye.
Bye.